Shout out to Elisi that got me a $50 one last year. I'm super grateful for that super thanks that you gave me, and it's something I'll never forget, your generosity. Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to talk to you about YouTube super thanks. Donation amount has now increased. So a YouTube super thanks is your way of supporting a channel by giving a cash amount on the video watch page, and now they have included it on shorts as well. You can also buy a super thanks for creator on the shorts feed as well. Exciting news! Super thanks donations amounts have increased. You can now super thanks a content creator up to the maximum value of £500 or your country's equivalent. That's mind-blowing, right? 500! Imagine what somebody could do with that amount of money. But also you have to bear in mind that if you were to buy a £500 super chat, content creator would get 70% of the amount. They wouldn't receive the full 500. YouTube will take some in their cut. What an excellent way to show your appreciation to the content creator for creating such excellent content for you guys. So in this video I will be showing you the different amounts you can buy and how to purchase it on the video watch page, and I'll briefly show you what it looks like on the shorts feed as well. That's a shorts video. So if you are viewing from a mobile phone, depending on your device, the super thanks button may not immediately be visible on the watch page. So all you'd need to do is slide the bar to the left, and then the super thanks button will become visible. So if you click on the hearted thanks button, the new minimum amount you can purchase is now from £1 or your country's equivalent. Before, minimum used to be from £2 and it went up to a maximum of £50 or your country's equivalent. I have seen a mixture of both the old and new price ranges, so possibly if you press the super thanks you might see the full updated price range list, or you might just have the older 4 options. Possibly YouTube might phase out the old pricing with only 4 options, as the new one has much more variety, much more different prices. The new maximum amount, as I said before, you can donate is up to £500 or your country's equivalent. If you move across the bar, the amounts increase. We have £1, £2, £5, £10, £15, £20, £25, £50, £75, £100, £200, £400 and £500 as the maximum. That's amazing. Select the amount you'd like to purchase. I'm going to use £1 for this example. It would be your country's equivalent. If you click on the pencil icon, you can change the message from thanks to anything else. Type in the message you'd like to appear in the comments section. In this example, it already says thanks, so all I did was added for all you do. So the message is going to read thanks for all you do. Then press the tick to save the new message. After that, then press buy and send. Read the review and agree consent and then press agree, and then read the next agreement first, then press buy. Enter your password, then press verify. Next, you will see the super thanks animation appear on screen, and they have updated it to this thumbs up animation. Before, it used to be clapping hands animation. So these are the 4 price options that were available before. You could choose £2, £5, £10 or £50 or your country's equivalent. And shout out to Elise that got me a $50 one last year. I'm super grateful for that super thanks that you gave me, and it's something I'll never forget. Your generosity, thank you so much. This is what it looks like if you were to purchase a super thanks on a shorts video on the shorts shelf. Before, it only used to be on the watch pages, but once again YouTube have updated the system and they've really helped out content creators. They're doing really well for us, and it's a massive improvement. I'd like to say thank you very much for all the time that you spent on this video here today. I really do appreciate your time. Don't forget, check out our channel membership. All you would need to do is press on the join button and all the details come up. And thank you very much once again for your time. See you on the next video, guys. Don't forget to check out our YouTube tips playlist as well. See you on the next video. Bye.